Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to convert Roblox credit to Robux. Okay, so when we open our Roblox application in our device, you can be able to see this page. But we cannot convert Roblox credit to Robux directly using the app. Okay, so let's tap on this one here. And then at the top corner, you can see your balance. Okay. So we cannot see an option where we can convert a Roblox credit to Robux. So now our option is to go to a web browser. Okay. And then you'll have to tap or type out the um, roblox.com/redeem. Okay. So here you'll have to enter your gift card, virtual item, or promo code in this box. Okay. So right after putting the code here, you'll just have to tap on this. Okay. By checking the box, you acknowledge that you are at least 18 years of age or that you are the parent or legal guardian of the account owner and agree to our terms of use, including the arbor- arbitration, okay, clause and gift card terms and conditions, and acknowledge our privacy policy. So you'll just have to tap on that. Then right after that, you'll just have to tap on the redeem option. Okay, that's it. That's how you can convert your Roblox credit to Robux. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe for more video tutorial in the future. Bye bye.